Ever wondered how Siri understands your commands, or how Google translates one language to another so seamlessly? Welcome to the captivating world of natural language processing, or NLP for short, an exciting realm where artificial intelligence meets human communication. At its core, NLP is a type of artificial intelligence that allows machines to comprehend, interpret, and even generate human language. It's the secret sauce that enables your smartphone to respond when you ask about the weather, or your home speaker to play your favorite song when you simply ask it to. But it's not just about voice assistants. NLP is also the technology that powers translation services, allowing us to break down language barriers and communicate across borders. It's behind the scenes, silently making our lives more convenient and connected. So the next time you ask Siri for the nearest pizza place or use Google Translate to decode a foreign phrase, remember, you're experiencing the magic of NLP. Without NLP, your friendly voice assistant might not be so friendly after all. Now you might be thinking, how does NLP work? Well, there are different types of NLP that help machines understand us better. Let's start with natural language understanding, or NLU for short. NLU is like the ears of a machine. It's the process that allows our devices to understand and interpret human language. Just like you're listening to this video, NLU enables a machine to listen to us, understand our words, and make sense of our sentences. It's the reason why your smartphone can pick up on your voice commands, even when you're asking it to do something as complex as finding the fastest route to your favorite restaurant. But understanding is only half the battle. Enter natural language generation, or NLG. If NLU is the ears, then NLG is the mouth of a machine. NLG processes take the data that machines have understood through NLU and transform it into human-like text. It's how your weather app tells you it's going to be sunny with a high of 75, or how your email drafts a response for you. It's all NLG at work. Now let's talk about natural language interaction, the magic that makes your conversation with Siri or Alexa feel almost human. This type of NLP combines both understanding and generation, allowing for a smooth interaction between humans and machines. It's the secret sauce that makes these virtual assistants so engaging and helpful. And last but not least, we have speech recognition. This is the technology that transcribes spoken words into written text. It's the first step in the NLP process, capturing our spoken words so that they can be understood and responded to. It's what makes voice typing and voice commands possible. So the next time Siri or Alexa responds to your command, remember it's all thanks to these types of NLP. Okay, so we've learned about NLP and its types, but how does it all come together to make the magic happen? Imagine a world where machines can understand and respond to our language. That's the magic of natural language processing. At its core, NLP uses techniques like machine learning and deep learning to recognize patterns and make sense of human language. It's a bit like teaching a child to understand language, but instead of a child, it's a machine. And instead of parents and teachers, it's algorithms and language models. These techniques allow NLP to understand context, sentiment, and even sarcasm. Think of a social media post or a product review. NLP can analyze these to understand the author's feelings and opinions. It's like giving machines the ability to read between the lines, to understand not just what we're saying, but how we're saying it. It's like teaching a machine to understand and speak our language. Quite magical, isn't it? We've covered a lot today, from understanding what NLP is to the magic behind it. Let's take a moment to recap. Natural language processing, or NLP, is the fascinating intersection of linguistics, artificial intelligence, and computer science. It's all about teaching computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language in a way that is both meaningful and contextually relevant. There are two main types of NLP, syntactic and semantic. Syntactic NLP is concerned with the structure and grammar of language, while semantic NLP focuses on the meaning and context. Together they allow our devices to understand and respond to us in a way that seems almost human. From voice assistants to translation apps, chatbots to search engines, NLP is the unsung hero making these interactions possible. It's an integral part of our daily lives, often without us even realizing it. Next time you interact with your voice assistant or use a translation app, you'll know the science behind the conversation. Remember, it all comes down to the power of natural language processing.